guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy split peas and chana or chickpeas cook-up rice. To get started, I already went ahead and seasoned my meats, and I have the chickpeas and split peas here, as well as some coconut milk, some parboiled rice. For my herbs, I'll be using thyme, basil, parsley, and some scallion. I also have some onions and bell peppers, as well as garlic and ginger. I have some riri peppers, chilies, and scotch bonnet. I also have some cook-up seasoning, black pepper, complete seasoning, all-purpose, and some seasoned salt. So for the meats, I have some pigtail, chuck roast beef, and some chicken foot. You can use any meats of your choice. I will be seasoning these with some all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, some Chinese sauce, and some fresh green seasoning. What I did was add all the seasonings to the meat as well as the Chinese sauce, mix really well, and set aside to marinate for about an hour or two. So today I'll be using my Instant Pot. We will be pressuring the meat for about 15 minutes. I will add some water, cover, and let it go for 15 minutes. Next, we will place the split peas on the stove top with some water and allow to boil until it's almost tender. To a preheated pot, I've added some oil. In goes my aromatics. Then I will add the herbs, give it a good stir, and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, we will add our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. Then we will add the rest of our ingredients. You want to add the cooked split peas as well as your chickpeas. You want to give them a good stir. Make sure you save the broth from when you boil the split peas because we will be adding it back in here. Then we will go in with our cooked meats. And now it's time for the liquids. So we will add some of that split peas broth. We will add some coconut milk, and we will add some of the broth from when we pressure the meats. We will also add our seasoning here to add flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. I like to add a tad bit of brown sugar as well, just to balance everything out. Then we will place our peppers in here, cover it, and allow everything to simmer on medium-low heat until the rice is fully cooked. And you can cook it to suit your own preference. However you like your cook-up rice, cook it that way. And I just wanted to mention, for those who might be trying this for the first time, you want to make sure that you are stirring it consistently throughout the process so that nothing is sticking or burning at the bottom. We will stir this up and just let it go for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. And here you have it, my version of a quick and easy split peas and chana or chickpeas cook-up rice. This was so delicious. I truly enjoyed it. It's a one-pot dish, so it's very well balanced. All you need is some vegetables on the side, and you're good to go. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.